Hey guys, I'm back and let's see what's in this big old box. So this is my, I guess you call it a starter kit. It's for my first month of Optavia. I did my 1 week kind of sample week and I've been telling you about that all week in my daily videos or vlogs. So I will be starting tomorrow's Friday, my new full month using this kit, and I will share with you tomorrow how much weight I have lost, so stay tuned for that. But for now, let's go ahead and get this kit opened. So what Optavia is, it is a way of to lose weight and gain your health back. There's all these fuelings that they give you or that you purchase and each fueling is like a kind of like a meal, and it includes nutrients. Like once you've eaten all 5 of your fuelings for the day, you've gotten 100% of your recommended daily vitamins and minerals for the day. So it has that in there. It has protein and carbs built in. Typically it's like an equal amount of protein and carbs. Most of them are only 100 calories, and but they fill you up. It's really amazing, and they taste good. You do, at least I did have to get used to them. They weren't just like amazing when you're coming off of McDonald's, and well, McDonald's isn't amazing, but when you're coming off of regular food to this food, you may have a little adjusting to do, but it is good. And let me just show you what's in the box. All right, so, and this is all new to me too. We've got the Optavia guide here, and this is a really nice, I love the quality of their products. It's a really nice colorful guide. This is the table of contents, and I will definitely utilize all of the tools and everything that they provide as best as I can, but I'm going to read this. So this will help me because I did the first week without any of this. So I'm pretty sure once I have this to reference and refer to and everything, this will be very helpful. So this is the guide. I'll be able to make my shakes in this bottle. See here. Ooh, red berry crunchy O's cereal. Yay! All right, this is the decadent chocolate brownie, which I've already tried. Caramel delight crisp bar. That is a new one. Yay, I'm excited to try that. Dark chocolate covered cherry shake. So that's interesting. Dark chocolate is not really my thing, and chocolate and cherry is not necessarily my thing, but I am looking forward to trying this. I hear it's good. Silky peanut butter and chocolate chip bar. I heard that one's really good. Chocolate mint cookie crisp bar. I can't wait to try this one. I hear it tastes like a Thin Mint, and that is what I have been eating a ton of, and why I gained at least 10 of the pounds that I put on. So I have to try that one. Oh yay, this is the creamy chocolate shake. This is everyone's, well not everyone, but this is a fan favorite, I have to say. Ooh, the Chia Bliss smoothie with coconut, sugar, kiwi, pineapple, blueberry, and apple. I cannot wait to try this. I love chia and I love fruit, and I don't get fruit right now with the Optavia 5-in-1 plan where you're trying to lose weight. You get it once you transition, you know, to one of the other programs, but right now I don't get fruit because it would knock me out of fat burn. So I'm looking forward to having something that tastes nice and fruity. Ooh, this is the zesty cheddar and Italian herb crunchers. I heard those are really good from some YouTuber. We've got the buttermilk cheddar herb biscuit. I've seen a YouTuber make sandwiches out of this with egg whites, and I think like cheese. And then this biscuit they do in a toaster oven and turn it into a breakfast sandwich. So I'm all I'm very excited to have some variety. Raisin Oat Cinnamon Crisp Bar. I've seen some people say this is their favorite bar or one of their favorite bars, so I can't wait to try that. Oh, the honey mustard and onion sticks. I heard those are good, so looking forward to trying those. And I will be doing videos whenever I try something new. I'll just make a quick little video and then I'll put them all together, and I'll be doing weekly updates. So in my weekly update, I'll show me trying the different fillings. Rustic tomato herb penne. I wouldn't think this would be something that I would even get or want to get. I kind of, you know, I like spaghetti and stuff like that, but you know, it's not like something I just have to have. But I've heard a lot of people say it's really good, so I'm looking forward to trying this. And it'll be nice to have something savory, you know, sometimes, not always sweet, sweet, sweet with all my fillings. Strawberry shake. I heard this tastes really, really delicious. I'm excited because if I can do this on a week of the same 5 fillings all week, I know I can do this with this many options. This is the chewy chocolate chip cookie, which I have heard people really, really say it's delicious. So I absolutely love chocolate chip cookies. Not as much as my brownies, but I do love a good chocolate chip cookie, especially if it's nice and soft and warm and chewy. So I hope I like that. Oh, that's one other thing that I have done is like the little cocoa, not the cocoa nibs, but the cocoa chocolate chips. They're like dark chocolate and mostly cocoa. I'll show you what they are. I've been putting like not even a handful, like maybe like 7 or 8 of those in my brownie. It's made a world of difference. It tastes so good. Ooh, this is the roasted garlic creamy smashed potatoes. I'm excited to try this. I love mashed potatoes. Now, I don't like instant mashed potatoes, so I don't know for sure if I will like these, but I have seen someone do some cool things or hacks with these too, like turn them into chips or turn them into like a waffle, and then you use that to make like a grilled cheese sandwich. I'll start doing some hacks for you guys too, so you'll see what I'm talking about. The home-style chicken flavored and vegetable noodle soup. I'm actually looking forward to this too. I've heard mixed reviews about it, but I love chicken noodle soup, and I even like the kind in the little dry packets that you just put in a cup with a little water. So I'm thinking I'll like this. I pretty much like any kind of noodle soupy kind of thing, so those should be good. Golden chocolate chip pancakes, yay! That's what this is. Looking forward to trying that. Now it's gonna be tough just figuring out what to eat. This is the cranberry honey nut granola bar. So I love granola, love, love, love granola. This is the drizzled chocolate fudge crisp bar. Yum. Just a couple more. This is the creamy double peanut butter crisp bar. I've already had that one. I had it all week, so won't be hitting this one up again anytime too soon. Probably won't hit my brownie up anytime too soon because I've been having a bunch of those as well. They gave me 2 of those. 2 creamy double peanut butter crisp bars. Well, that's okay. I do like it. I do this for breakfast with coffee, and I do like it, so that's fine. And then I have a couple of really big books in here. Oh, they're so heavy. So this one is Dr. A's Habits of Health. This is all about the program. And then this is your life book. Yikes. But hey, you know, you need to learn so that you can make this a lifestyle and not just a fad diet, right? But this, I believe, goes with that, and it's kind of like the workbook that you do with the habits of health. So as you learn, I mean, it's just like you're in school, guys. You know what? Here's the thing. When you know better, you do better, right? My grandmother used to always say that, and it's very true. I have made better choices this week just from some of the YouTube videos I've watched, and it's helped me to make better choices because I know, like, hey, if I'm gonna have to eat a little something extra, I'm gonna eat maybe an extra fueling or something on plan, like a snack or something, or some protein. I'm not gonna eat like that hot fudge brownie sundae I wanted, because that will knock me out of the fat burn, put me back to day one. Like I'll have to start all over again and have to fight the cravings and all of that, and I don't want to have to do that. I want to feel like, you know, I'm doing this without a lot of struggle. And so I learned things that help, like getting in your night's sleep, as much sleep as you can, at least 8 hours at night, helps you not be as hungry the next day. I never knew that, and so there's things that I'm sure I will learn and hear, or like the breathing exercise to help me with stress, or even just recognizing, hey, I know that I'm more stressed and that's why I'm having these cravings than the fact that I'm just hungry, you know, or making sure I get in all my water and the importance of that. So lots of things that I will be learning and being able to put into great use. So I'm excited about that. So that's everything. Should I try the fueling in this video or a separate video? Let me go ahead and try it in this video. I think I'm gonna try the chocolate mint cookie crisp bar, because I love Thin Mints and that's what I heard it tastes like, and I don't believe that. But I'm gonna see what it does taste like. Guys, it smells good. It smells like mint. So it smells like chocolate and mint, so that's a good thing. It does kind of have a little Thin Mint smell to it. All right, ooh, I think this is gonna be really good. This is how it looks. All right, let's go ahead and taste it. I wish they would have gave me 2 boxes of this. It's my favorite. So delicious. Now, I don't know if I would have felt it was so delicious a week ago, but I certainly do now. It tastes like a Thin Mint cookie with a slight healthiness to it. It's very good. I'm very pleased with this snack. So this is how it looks. So that one I give a big thumbs up. This is at the top of my list for sure. All right, guys, I will see you guys later. Bye.